What them a go do ya now? No link on the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. No link.
Blessings, my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself. You don't know, so the attacking boss, they are New Link from New Link Production. And I mean, say attack. So my viewers and my subscribers, again, my people, I'm going to cover another story. And sadly, my people, it's on our brother who passed away, a godfather, the legendary, you understand, Lee Scratch Perry. So the other days, my people, I covered the story about the passing and the whole thing, you understand, showcase even that last video that Lee Scratch Perry comes to boom and broadcast to the world, my people. And a couple of minutes after that, people, drop out. R.I.P. again. Well, now my viewers and subscribers, a link was sent to me, and basically it was some post made by Lee Scratch Perry wife, my people. And I'm telling my viewers and subscribers, I know when the attacking boss is nothing like them, yeah. Me nah go keep quiet, my people. Me go come so boom, and me go share it with you all, my people, because you don't know me go to work. Well, she made a post, my people, on the boss IG. And this post that she made, you understand, and 3 different posts she making up. And this one said, to all of Lee's fans and supporters, I sincerely thank you for your outpouring of love and condolences. This catastrophic loss is totally unexpected and unbelievable. Lee Scratch Perry was not sick. I promise I will get justice for the mishandling that took place. I promise I will not stop until we get justice from the people responsible for his death. Jaja sees. Jaja knows, my people. Lee was so looking forward to building his LSP Paradise community with a studio and an house in December. After the UK tour, he was also so happy about to begin touring again with his music performances from October. So again to that part, people, and it was art house, you understand, not just a house, it was a community, it was a LS Paradise community with a studio and art house. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, Lee was on a mission. The people responsible for his death are not going to get away with his passing. We have 100% evidence that he will still be alive if they had not done what they did, also out of money greed. So basically, people, we are telling me, say, kill them, kill off the general, I kill them, kill off the boss. What really are going on, my people? We are telling me, say, I kill them, kill off the general. What really are going on, my people? No, this can't right. This can't real. This is not good, my people. No, my people. Zin, this not real. You get what I'm saying? What go on now? More know what go on. But she said, people, for right now, because you don't know, they might do some things and thing, people. So she have to keep certain things quiet and she can't reveal it to the public. And you know, so she not a part of mourning and something right now, my people. Zine, because she said in this thing, you know, I am not allowed to give any details at the moment, but I could just say that the Lucy Hospital didn't have anything to do with his tragic passing. You understand? Because remember, people, he passed away at the hospital down there in Hanover, Zine. So what she's making clear is that the hospital now nothing to do with it. So something is more to this, my viewers and subscribers. Something deeper to this. You understand? Which, as I tell you, people, just like the way how, you understand, how you hear she come and she talk, people, and she kind of quote a lot of things, and that who was Mr. Lee Scratch Perry is also. He was a man who always quote him things, them people. Zine. So I'm telling you, my viewers and subscribers, and evil Vybz Kartel them come say boom and react to these things when them see them something people because remember you know Lee Scratch Perry was a fan of Vybz Kartel and also Alkaline because remember he said that Vybz Kartel is the best thing dancehall I've ever seen people. You understand? And he said Alkaline is the top prize of dancehall. So he respect and he rate the two of them. And he also stated that if you rate Kartel, you have to rate Alkaline too. Okay. So my viewers and my subscribers, Zane, what could have really be behind and why somebody would, because of money and greed, you understand, put the boss 3 pints. You know what I mean? We know he was old. You understand? He was what? 85, 86 between that years old people. We know that. But this man was a man in his 80s, we up in his 80 but acts really strong same way. He wasn't a man who was bedridden. He's a man who can see. A man who was still in the studio recording. You understand? A man who was still dip on the beach. A man who was still, you know what I mean, people? He was fit. So what could have really be behind this thing, my people? Why? Huh? We understand how we know people. A lot of these legendary man. You understand? They worth a lot more, and I say it before where a lot of people don't believe. They worth a lot more when they're dead. Zine, you may not know that. This man, a man, was out there, people, producing for some of the greatest reggae musicians. You understand? Including Bob Marley. And, you know, when this man passed, people, there can be where a lot of people make it crazy and more money off those albums that Bob have there. Other people who record, you never know, people. You understand? Wish, I'm not going to judge, I'm not going to say people, but I'm just saying something. You understand? Because she said at the moment she keep silent on certain things, people. I remember she said she have 100% proof. And when somebody tell her they have 100% proof in a people, that means that's full 1,000,000% evidence. It evidence and point evidence everything together. Zane, and I can say people, if so be the case and them come say man, make the legendary Lee Scratch Perry deport people because of negligence and based on what the post is saying and of greed for money, my people. Those wicked ones behind it, them need for dealt with, my people. Attack for them. Seeing those cruel one behind it, my people, them need for get sorted. Because if the legend could have been with us for 10 more years, 20 more years, 5 more years, 1 more day, 1 more second, naturally by the hands of the Almighty, he should have been here. You understand? Remember, people, she said he was not sick. And based on an article where them say he did have high blood pressure and this and that. But I never see this man complaining like that, people. I never see this man bothering like that. And I'm watching his post because they're always posting on his IG. Huh? This man just moved back to Jamaica, people, in January gone. You understand? Just moved back. And you know, Lee Scratch Perry, they are Switzerland for years, my people. See? This man was planning a tour. You hear what you said? They're planning his tour in October. A man who's sick and not dead people can't tour. He can't go perform for much people and not travel up and down. People, see in this world, only Jah sees and he knows. So what they do? Take out another great one. Because whole heap our great them in the people. And when them dead, we hear much things where them say happen to them and this and that, people. But that's true, you never know. If everything could have just come open and we eye people and we could have read and say things. But I know say I get them out, people. Them not just gone, so. But I don't know the thing of my people. They attacking boss there, you know, to keep you all informed, man. I just more love and more respect, my people. And remember to please like, please share, please comment, my people. And remember, follow me on Instagram, my people. Please follow the IG, New Link Production Official Attacking Boss. Follow the Facebook, people, New Link Production Attacking Boss. Follow the Twitter, New Link Production Official, my people. Remember the New Link Back to School 3 2021 September. Please support it. Please link up, my people. Check below for the contacts. DM me on Instagram, people. I could have 1 cent. Please support the movement. This is going to be your 4th year doing this, my people. And remember, your blessings count a lot when you take part into this. Remember, the more you give, the more you get. That's all I can say. Peace out.